Does the path to divinity lie outside of us or within us? A riveting question that has sparked debates and discussions for centuries. This is a journey into understanding the difference between religion and spirituality. Picture religion as a bridge, a conduit that connects us to the divine. It worships God, seeing divinity as a power that resides outside of ourselves. It's a path paved with rituals, doctrines, and sacred texts. But this bridge often separates, drawing lines between those who walk on it and those who do not. It predicates on the fear of hell, instructing its followers to tread carefully to avoid a dreaded fate. Religion can sometimes feel like being a single drop in the vast ocean, an individual entity lost in the expanse. Now imagine spirituality, not as a bridge but as a river that flows within us, encouraging oneness with God. It sees divinity as a force that permeates everything, including ourselves. It's a path that is less defined, less rigid, and more personal. This river doesn't divide, it merges. It brings together people, regardless of their beliefs. It urges its followers to create heaven on earth, promoting love and freedom over fear and restrictions. Spirituality feels like being the entire ocean in a single drop, recognizing the infinite within the finite. Yet the river and the bridge are not in opposition. They are two different paths leading to the same destination, understanding and connecting with the divine. Some may prefer the structure and community of the bridge, while others might choose the personal and introspective journey of the river. To recap, religion tends to externalize God, often leading to division based on differing beliefs and promoting fear of hell. Spirituality, on the other hand, internalizes God, promoting unity regardless of beliefs and encouraging the creation of heaven on earth. Both religion and spirituality offer paths to the divine. The choice between the bridge and the river, then, becomes a matter of personal preference. As we journey through life, our paths may shift and change, but our destination remains the same, an understanding and connection with the divine. In the end, whether we choose the bridge of religion or the river of spirituality, the journey is uniquely our own.